how the liver influences not only our hormones, but also our mood. Because I think people sometimes don't tie those two things together to the liver. Can you just give us a little bit of background of why this liver is so important?
I think that we have to understand the power of our liver. And all of you who know me know that I'm an organ detox specialist. Started out with the colon, then I went to the kidneys, then I learned a lot about the liver and the heart and the pancreas and on and on and on. So I became a detox specialist around the country. But hormones and fat metabolism starts a healthy liver. And when I say that, the liver's in charge. And a lot of people don't understand that when we have these hot flashes and headaches and bloating and all of these symptoms that are so mild that doctors don't understand what it is, it's usually the liver and the colon. But we're talking about the liver tonight. So the liver regulates estrogen. And I remember going 20 years back, I'm so far beyond the estrogen stage, but 30 years back, let's even say, when I used to see a lot of patients and they all had the same symptomatology. They had the brain fog, they couldn't think clearly, they had itching, they had bloating, they had a lot of weight gain, they couldn't process, what they were there at their jobs. I mean, it was just so much. But the main thing was that they all lacked this energy and they all lacked this motivation. And that was an imbalance in your hormones, and your liver was responsible for it. So our liver is very, very important. The liver, when the liver is sick, it stores fat. And I can always tell when someone has a bad liver by looking at their belly. Especially men, they have no clue that their liver is in trouble. And they'll keep eating the same bad food, and they'll keep drinking the same bad alcohol, and on and on and on. And the stress is over the top. But a sick liver, guys, causes fatigue and hot flashes and weight gain. And alcohol just adds a whole nother level to it. The alcohol disrupts your enzymes so that you can't break down your food. And if you can't break down your food, you have a lot of inflammation in the body. And then not even talking about seed oils, because seed oils is a whole new niche out there. Now a lot of doctors are jumping on board with, different types of oils where 20 years ago they didn't have a clue. But seed oils is high in omega-6, and sometimes too many seed oils, and we all think that seed oils are great. And don't get me wrong here. I know seed oils are good, but we are overdosing on seed oils, okay? What we really need and what we're lacking in the most is omega-3s. Those are fish oils. And the reason why I know that is because I do blood work. And so I know that seed oils can be good, but too much seed oils can increase the oxidative stress that we're always talking about, oxidative stress. We need omega-3 to balance the omega-6 so that our liver do not work over time. And if I don't say this enough, I just want to say this again and again and again. We have no choice today but to detox. That wasn't like that 20 years ago. Today, we have to detox.